the Science Guy.
Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
Inertia is a problem.
Science! It's everywhere. Hey, on today's episode of Nill Bye, the greatest science show for all kids of all ages, we are going to talk about the 5 kingdoms that all species in the world are divided into. We got Animalia, Protistia, we got tons, fungi. It's going to be great. So stick around and we are going to go crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. Jimmy, eat your crust.
If I have to eat crust, then I don't want to be normal.
Man, who picked this day to film? Oh, okay. Well, back to our main topic. There's many kingdoms and species that need to be put in certain kingdoms. Now, let's go down into the backyard, which you can also do if you want to. You can go check out all the species and kinds of plants and everything in your backyard and see what kingdom they belong in. Let's go. Well, right here, this green grass is what most people call grass. But to us scientists, it's placed in the, let me check my cheat sheet, the plantae family. Because they're autotrophs. See? They like to, they get their own food by turning sunlight into energy, which makes them their green color, because the only color that they absorb from the sun is the green color, which turns them green. Green is the only color of light they do not use to make energy, so it just sits with them and it keeps them green. Science rules. Fatima right here is a fungi. Just kidding. She's actually an Amalia. In other words, she can move on her own. And she is an autotroph. Just kidding. She's a heterotroph. Aren't you, Fatima?
No, Fatima.
See this moss right here on this rock? It's a plantae. Because most people think it's actually fungi, but it's not. And these little kids, they're Animalia. It's just everything can be classified when it comes to the 5 kingdoms. Like Fatima, she's fungi. Just kidding! Science rules.
Science rules.
Whoa! Random fact. Earthquakes happen all the time. Some are just so small we can't even feel them. They can happen in our neighborhood right here. They are autotrophs. Yeah, that's right. They're autotrophs.
And they're dying.
They cannot move on their own. And most of them are multicellular.
And they can't die.
Yes, they can. See? They can die. Don't say stupid things like that, Scotty.
If you put water, they don't die.
What do you think? Here, let me ask you a question. Do they make their energy from A, eating other things, B, photosynthesis, or C, eating bologna?
A.
A, eating other things?
Wrong! C, bologna.
Wrong! Get out! Get! Do you know what comes out? What?
B.
B, right! Photosynthesis.
Hey, show your face.
Do you know how photosynthesis works?
How?
How, Bill?
It's actually Nill Bye, silly kid.
Kidding.
Well, photosynthesis is when the plant takes in sunlight and turns it into energy. And it doesn't, of all the colors in sunlight, it does not use green. So remember, I told you this already, I think. Maybe I didn't. But, so it doesn't use the green, and that's why the plant is green. See, if maybe I didn't use red, it'd be red plants everywhere. And we wouldn't be used to the green ones.
Wow, Nill Bye.
Nill Bye here. Back to the the 5 kingdoms, of course. To talk to you about the biggie. The big one. The biggest. Just kidding, this isn't like the biggest at all. It's just fungi. Where'd I put that? Flabgabbit! Flabgabbit, we are experiencing technical difficulties. Please close. Please close. I need to get the yeast. Oh no! Please, got it.
Hacking.
Got it. Oh my goodness.
Puppet dance.
I'm doing my own puppet dance. Do 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 do.
I returned! Hey, someone! Oh, thanks, Joe. Okay, I'm back here to talk about, fungi. You probably didn't know that fungi, yeast is a fungi. Fungi is yeast. Yeast is a fungi. Yeast is fungi. See this? See?
Pretty crazy.
I know it is crazy. So, oh, jeez, got it. Oh! Jeez!
Doggone it.
Nill Bye, you've outdone yourself. Anyway, this yeast, what you probably didn't know, is that you eat yeast almost every day. It's in bread, it's in anything with bread to make it rise. Like pizza, sandwiches, you probably eat it every day, bagels, whatever. So, some things you need to know about fungi for the upcoming test is, first of all, fungi is single-celled, just like the yeast. It's also a heterotroph. It cannot make their own food. They have to get their own food. And, important, fungi, like mushrooms, decompose other organisms, which creates life for all over them. Science rules. See Scotty here? He's in the kingdom Animalii because he's multicellular. And so is Ayub over there. They both have no cell walls. And that's including me, too. All humans are part of the Animalii kingdom. And we can move on our own. Which is a very important part. And they're all heterotrophs and they have specialized tissue. Don't you, Scotty?
Yeah.
Say hello to the camera.
Hello. Hello.
Here,
Hello.
we make science rule. Protista! Hey, I'm here to talk to you about Protista. The reason I'm looking down there is because they're microscopic. You can't see them with the naked eye. Haha, I said naked. So look at them down there. Maybe you'll see them if you are really specialized. But they are single or multicellular. They can be either or. They both have a nucleus. Any protista has to have a nucleus in order to be in that kingdom. And they all have specialized cells. And they all make funny faces, like John is right now. Just kidding. They don't make funny faces. That was a joke. Science rules! Hey, I'm here now to talk to you about Monera, the fifth and final kingdom that we'll be talking about in today's episode. Well, you see, Monera, like Protista, is microscopic. So again, you can't say it with the naked eye. So, in other words, you need a microscope to see it. They have no nucleuses, and they are single-celled. Oh no, Nill Bye is having a brain freeze. Let's just look down to see what else they have. They're missing many other cell structures. Two kinds. There are two kinds of Monera. Autotrophs and heterotrophs. They can either make their own food or get it from some other source. They are missing many other cell structures than most others have. Pretty weird, huh? Just like the way John's flipping the camera right now. That's pretty crazy too. It's crazy. So, last thing is, they are the simplest and most abundant in this world kind of kingdom. So, that's just one thing I can tell you about them. There's a couple things. But, sorry, we don't have any microscopes right now, so we cannot show you what they look like. Sorry about that. But, I'll see you later.